Looking after your garden has never been easier with a new Holman patented sprayer tank. Now the thing about this tank is it does not need any manual pumping. It simply self-pressurizes from the pressure of your garden tap. Now that is unique and quite clever. Now before we start spraying, let's have a look what's actually on the EzySpray. Now on the top we've got the carry handle, which you can take out. And this is where you actually put the additives to the tank, up here. Then you've got the snap-on connector here, which the garden hose attaches to, and you turn on the tap and it self-pressurizes. And on the side here you see the pressure gauge. It does two things. It shows you how much pressure has been built in the tank and therefore how much water is actually inside it. Now in order to put additives to the tank, push the handle down and turn counterclockwise. Add the additive to the tank and grab the handle, push it down and turn the handle clockwise. It makes a little click and you know it's secure in place. Now you put the additives to the tank, we can pressurize it. Here's a tip: run the garden hose for a couple of seconds to make sure there's no air in the hose. Turn the tap off again, attach it to the EzySpray, turn the tap on, and it self-pressurizes as it fills up. After you're done, turn the tap off again, undo the hose from the tank, and you're ready to go.